Have you ever wondered if the firmament really exists and what that means for the flat Earth theory? Today, we're going to dive into one of the most intriguing and often misunderstood concepts in the world of flat Earth theory, the firmament. It's a topic that sparks heated debates and raises so many questions. What is the firmament, and how does it fit into the flat Earth narrative? Is it a physical reality, or just a myth? In this video, we're going to explore these questions and many more, so buckle up and let's get started. The concept of the firmament is deeply woven into the fabric of flat Earth theory, and it's an idea that has been around for centuries. But what exactly is it, and why is it so crucial to the flat Earth narrative? In simple terms, the firmament is a solid, dome-like structure that separates the Earth from the heavens. It's a physical barrier that encases our planet, and it's believed to be the ceiling of our world. But what evidence do flat earthers have to support this idea, and how does it fit into their understanding of the universe? As we delve deeper into the world of flat Earth theory, it becomes clear that the firmament is more than just a physical structure, it's a symbol of a much larger ideology. It represents a rejection of the mainstream scientific worldview, and a desire to challenge the status quo. But is this idea based in reality, or is it just a fantasy? We'll explore this question and many more as we examine the history and significance of the firmament. The flat Earth theory is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon, and the firmament is just one piece of the puzzle. But as we'll see, it's a crucial piece that has far-reaching implications for our understanding of the world and the universe. So, let's take a journey into the world of flat Earth theory, and explore the fascinating story of the firmament. Many people believe that the concept of the flat Earth originated in ancient times, with various cultures and civilizations proposing that the Earth was flat. The ancient Greeks, for example, believed in a flat Earth, and it wasn't until the rise of ancient Greek philosophers like Aristotle and Eratosthenes that the concept of a spherical Earth began to take hold. But the idea of the flat Earth never really went away, and it continued to evolve and adapt throughout history. In the 19th century, the concept of the flat Earth experienced a resurgence, thanks in part to the writings of Samuel Rowbotham, an English inventor and writer who proposed a flat Earth model. Rowbotham's work, titled Zetetic Astronomy, laid out a comprehensive flat Earth theory that included the concept of the firmament. According to Rowbotham, the firmament was a solid, transparent dome that surrounded the Earth, and it was the source of the atmospheric gases that sustain life. The firmament played a central role in Rowbotham's flat Earth theory, and it was seen as a key piece of evidence that supported the idea of a flat Earth. But Rowbotham's work was not without its critics, and many scientists and scholars attacked his theories as being outdated and incorrect. Despite this, Rowbotham's work continued to influence the development of flat Earth theory, and the concept of the firmament remained a central tenet of the ideology. As the flat Earth movement grew and evolved, the concept of the firmament continued to adapt and change. Some flat earthers began to propose that the firmament was not just a physical structure, but a spiritual or metaphysical barrier that separated the Earth from the heavens. Others believed that the firmament was a symbolic representation of the divide between the material and spiritual realms. But not everyone was convinced by the idea of the firmament, and many scientists and scholars attacked the concept as being unscientific and unproven. The concept of a solid, dome-like structure surrounding the Earth was seen as being incompatible with our current understanding of the universe, and it was dismissed as a myth or a fantasy. Despite the criticism, the concept of the firmament continued to be a central part of the flat Earth narrative, and it remained a key piece of evidence that supported the idea of a flat Earth. But as we'll see, the firmament is not just a simple concept, it's a complex and multifaceted idea that has far-reaching implications for our understanding of the world and the universe. One of the most intriguing aspects of the firmament is its relationship to the concept of gravity. According to flat Earth theory, the firmament is a physical structure that is responsible for holding up the atmosphere, and it's what keeps us and everything else on the ground. But this raises some interesting questions. If the firmament is responsible for gravity, then what exactly is the nature of this force? Some flat earthers propose that gravity is not a force that acts between objects, but rather a force that acts between objects and the firmament. This raises some interesting possibilities, and it challenges our current understanding of the universe. But it also raises some difficult questions. If gravity is a force that acts between objects and the firmament, then what exactly is the mechanism by which it operates? Another key aspect of the firmament is its relationship to the concept of space and time. According to flat Earth theory, the firmament is a physical structure that marks the boundary between the Earth and the heavens. But what exactly lies beyond the firmament? Is it a vast, infinite expanse of space, or is it something more complex and multifaceted? Some flat earthers propose that the firmament is not just a physical structure, but a gateway to other dimensions or parallel universes. This raises some intriguing possibilities, and it challenges our current understanding of the nature of reality. But it also raises some difficult questions. If the firmament is a gateway to other dimensions, then what exactly is the nature of these dimensions, and how do they interact with our own? As we delve deeper into the world of flat Earth theory, it becomes clear that the firmament is more than just a physical structure, it's a symbol of a much larger ideology. It represents a rejection of the mainstream scientific worldview, and a desire to challenge the status quo. But is this ideology based in reality, or is it just a fantasy? One of the most significant challenges faced by flat earthers is the lack of empirical evidence to support their claims. While they propose a range of mechanisms and processes that could sustain the firmament, there is little hard evidence to back up these claims. This has led many scientists and scholars to dismiss flat Earth theory as being unscientific and unfounded. Another significant challenge faced by flat earthers is the criticism and ridicule they face from the wider community. Many people view flat Earth theory as being absurd and nonsensical, and flat earthers are often subject to ridicule and scorn. This can make it difficult for them to express their views and share their ideas with others. Despite these challenges, the flat Earth movement continues to grow and evolve. New theories and ideas are being proposed, and new evidence is being presented to support the idea of a flat Earth. But as we'll see, the concept of the firmament remains a central tenet of the ideology, and it continues to be a source of fascination and debate. One possible solution to the challenges faced by flat earthers is to engage in more rigorous scientific research and experimentation. By gathering evidence and data, flat earthers could potentially prove the existence of the firmament and demonstrate its role in sustaining the Earth. This could involve conducting experiments and observations to test the properties of the firmament, and to gather data on its composition and structure. Another possible solution is for flat earthers to engage in more open and honest dialogue with the wider community. By sharing their ideas and listening to others, flat earthers could potentially build bridges and foster greater understanding and acceptance. This could involve creating online forums and discussion groups, and engaging in public debates and lectures. Despite the challenges and criticisms, the concept of the firmament remains a fascinating and intriguing idea. It represents a challenge to our current understanding of the universe, and it raises some intriguing possibilities about the nature of reality. As we continue to explore and examine the idea of the firmament, we may uncover new insights and perspectives that challenge our assumptions and broaden our understanding. In conclusion, the concept of the firmament is a complex and multifaceted idea that has far-reaching implications for our understanding of the world and the universe. It represents a challenge to our current understanding of the universe, and it raises some intriguing possibilities about the nature of reality. As we continue to explore and examine the idea of the firmament, we may uncover new insights and perspectives that challenge our assumptions and broaden our understanding. The story of the firmament is a fascinating and intriguing one, and it raises some important questions about the nature of reality and our place in the universe. As we continue to explore and examine this idea, we may uncover new insights and perspectives that challenge our assumptions and broaden our understanding. If you're interested in learning more about the firmament and flat Earth theory, I encourage you to check out some of the resources in the description box below. There are some great videos and articles that explore these topics in more depth, and they offer some fascinating insights and perspectives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on flat Earth theory and the firmament.